Discover untapped investment and market sentiment hiding in plain sight in today's Daily Reddit Insight for July 4th. JPMorgan, S&P tokenized carbon credits, institutional RWA leap, pain, opaque pricing, regulatory fear, scarce infrastructure, stall capital, chance, SEC pivot, consortium standards, buy RWA protocols, CFG, ONDO, OM, carbon ETF, KRBN, blockchain baskets and diversified equity plays, before inflows accelerate. U.S. tariff threat on European autos luxury. Exports-dependent German and French icons fear devastating duties. Trade-driven investors monitor polls and rhetoric. Short puts on Mercedes, BMW, LVMH if risk rises. Go long calls on easing or deal for relief rally potential gains. High premium tech covered calls, pain, huge volatility, potential 20 to 30% losses, capped gains, concentrated sector exposure, skepticism dominates discussion. Chance, limit position size, diversify with SPY/QQQ, sell farther OTM 30 to 45 DTE calls. Follow strict risk management playbook via core satellite approach prudently. Bitcoin unrealized profits surge. Massive $1.2 trillion paper gains tempt holders to sell, raising volatility and potential sharp drops. Lock some gains, keep core position. Newcomers adopt disciplined dollar-cost averaging to build exposure gradually. Hedge risks. Avoid buying tops today smartly. High-risk options. Bearish UNH. Volatile TSLA. Medicaid policy threatens UNH revenue. Tesla's huge swings punish theta. Both positions speculative. Verify policy impact. Prefer nearer puts or bear spreads. Time straddles around clear catalysts. Exit quickly to lock gains and manage. Space sector speculative rockets. Extreme volatility, cash burn, mission failures, and unprofitable balance sheets threaten heavy losses. Seize opportunity by limiting allocation to 1 to 5%, performing deep financial and event due diligence, diversifying broadly, and committing patient long-term capital, investor discipline. Retiree de-risking dilemma. Fear of market crashes, inflation erosion, anxiety about preserving capital while funding lifestyle. All-cash T-bill strategy, statistically weak. Build opportunity through three-tier preservation and income mix. SGOV liquidity cushion, SCHD dividend engine, VT global growth hedge, shield. Tariff uncertainty sparks sentiment split. Bulls foresee unstoppable rally. Bears predict bubble burst. Traders fear wrong-sided bets and looming volatility. How to seize. Adopt long volatility plays like SPY straddles. Supplement with selective calls or puts aligning with risk tolerance. Extreme bullish index momentum. Retail euphoria. Leveraged options risk. Possible peak. Play trend via SPY/QQQ shares. Long-dated ATM calls. Disciplined stops. Trim gains. Buy dips. Diversify size. Avoid all-or-nothing bets. Limit loss to premium. Target 50 to 100% profit. Manage volatility prudently. Consolidate speculative altcoins into Bitcoin. Current portfolio mimics high-risk gambling, volatile meme coins, negligible fundamentals, elevated downside jeopardizing student savings. Switch strategy. Liquidate low cabs. Allocate 80% BTC, 20% ETH. Adopt paycheck DCA for low stress, institution-aligned, long-term growth, wealth, and security. Figma IPO. High-growth design leader. AI disruption threatens valuation and post-IPO volatility. Study S1 for AI strategy. Buy at or below 2750 or monitor dip. Use small allocation and stop loss. Treat as speculative. Reassess if competitor launches superior AI native tool.